Hey everyone! Welcome to the channel Handmade Cars. Today, I'm going to show you how I've made DeLorean from the movie Back to the Future. I've made this legend from sculptural plasticine and from usual colored one. I really did my best and highlighted everything to the tiniest details. The scale models could be jealous of such a detailization. It turned out to be one of the best detailed works that I've ever made. The movie itself, Back to the Future, is pretty famous, and those who've seen it must want to have a copy of the real DeLorean. That's why I decided to make this car, just from scratch. I was also going to make a working suspension system, but the weight of the car turned out to be heavy, and I had to quit this idea. But I've made doors that can be opened. Inside the cabin, I made everything exactly as it was in the movie. There is even a panel with the introduction of the date at what time to set off. I like to highlight everything that can be seen in cars, so I highlighted the bottom too. The model is made for my collection, so it's better to keep it in the fridge. Since it's made from plasticine, it can gradually change its shape due to the heat and it'll shrink. And now, I'm going to show you how I made it from plasticine in detail, step by step. That's how I managed to do this DeLorean. I hope you enjoyed the work I've done. I have a lot of similar videos for you, so if you liked it, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. The quality of the cars will be getting better. I'll do my best. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye!